Those, Allah says, who follow the book of Allah, they are of three categories. Who can tell me the three categories? فَمِنْهُمْ. Yes? مِنْهُمْ سَابِقٌ بِالْخَيْرَاتِ is the last one. That's the one who's far ahead. فَمِنْهُمْ ظَالِمٌ لِنَفْسِهِ. The first category, people follow the Qur'an, but they fall short, right? They still make mistakes. They still have sins. They still do wrong to others. Yes, this is one category. فَمِنْهُمْ ظَالِمٌ لِنَفْسِهِ. Some of them, they wrong themselves. وَمِنْهُمْ مُقْتَصِد. Second category, people who are a mix. They try to follow the Qur'an, but sometimes they do good, sometimes they do bad, and it's about 50-50. And there's a third category, وَمِنْهُمْ سَابِقٌ بِالْخَيْرَاتِ بِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ. There are those, the Qur'an has impacted them so deeply, they race ahead to act on the Qur'an, they are left everybody behind. May Allah make us all of them. All three groups, the one who wronged themselves, the one who is far ahead, and the one who's 50-50, Allah says all of them, Jannatu adni yadkhuluna. All of them are going to enter into paradise by Allah's mercy. Look at this. We all try to act on the Qur'an, but we fall short. We wrong ourselves. We commit sins. We think Allah's not looking. In private, we do some sins. We look at things we shouldn't look. We say things we shouldn't say. But look at the appreciation of Allah of the little that we do, that He still promises us that we will be entered into paradise. Jannatu adni yadkhuluna.